If using Slack feels like a part-time job on top of your actual job, then you probably need some help. Here are 6 quick hacks that make using Slack much better. No fluff, just stuff you can use today. The first hack is the quick switcher. Press Command plus K or Control plus K on Windows and jump to any channel or DM instantly. No scrolling, no clicking the sidebar. If you bounce between 5 conversations a day, this is the shortcut that pays for itself in the first hour. The second one is to mute the noise. Mute any channel that doesn't need a real-time response. They still exist, you still get the info when you want it, you just stop getting pinged every time someone posts a meme and #random. The third hack is custom notifications. You can set different notification rules for every single channel. Project channels can ping you on every message, everything else only when you're @mentioned. This tiny settings change makes a huge difference in how Slack feels. The fourth hack is integrating Slack with your other tools. Connect Slack to the tools you already use: Google Drive, calendars, project trackers. Share files, get updates, and stay in one window instead of jumping between 5 tabs. The next hack is to format your messages. Bold what matters. Use bullet points when you have more than 2 things to say, and use italics when something needs emphasis. A formatted message actually gets read. And the last hack is to save messages for later. An important message lands but you can't deal with it right now? Click the bookmark icon. It goes into your saved items, ready when you are. No more searching 3 days later for that thing someone sent. So those are your 6 hacks. Use them this week to see how Slack stops feeling like a fire hose. And if you want everything in one place, messages, tasks, docs, and projects, give ClickUp a try so nothing important ever gets lost in a 2 a.m. DM again. Get started for free at clickup.com. Links in the description.